I am Ben West. I'm from Bolivar, Pennsylvania. Coming into this class, I had no thinking about going into business, but now that I'm going through this, there's so much information being thrown to you, and now it's something I'm considering. I realized I was doing things wrong. I've been doing this stuff on my own for about 5 or 6 years, and I realized once I got that equipment in my hands and someone telling me how to do it, I could have a surprise of what all I picked up. Another big benefit was using a different equipment, finding out what you liked. It was amazing. So far, I'm really enjoying this experience. Come in here thinking, oh, we were just gonna vacuum down things and then clean it up and get on your way. I had no idea how in depth we were gonna get with this. It was absolutely amazing.